Hi guys.
Hey guys, it's me Jamie and welcome again to my channel. And for today's vlog, pupunta tayo ngayon ng Solaire kasi mag-staycation tayo. And before that, mag-lunch muna tayo sa Fresh. Ayan. So, we are celebrating Daddy's birthday naman. Ayan. Happy birthday, Daddy. Say happy birthday. Oy, tonto ang mata. Kasi may pear. What's that? There's a pear! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Fresh. Nasa Solaire na tayo. So, si birthday boy. Ayan. And then, kasama namin yan, sila Mama, Papa, sila Netet, Aling, yan, sila Aliyah. So, waiting lang kami na makapasok ng Fresh.
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way.
Waiting pa kami sa Fresh. Habol, tita!
From the start I was all in, with the heart about to trying to say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart.
Tabi kayo ni Leah.
Because I know it doesn't matter, cause you never cared, but I still get anxious when I see you near. And my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Yeah. 'Cause honestly, don't think it's healthy to learn what you.
Pick up. Ready. Very good. Good job, kuya. Ito yung pizza mo, kuya. Roast beef. Always favorite sa buffet. Ramen. Hey, my favorite. Kuratsa and tahong. Wala silang lobster ngayon. Wow. Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. No, no, no. 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 Leah. Leah. Kumuha ng food si Aliyah. Is it yummy? Yummy watermelon. Oh, what's that? What's that? What? Yummy watermelon. Yum, 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 yum. Show me properly. Yum, 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 yum. Ano yung wala?
Strawberry. Diba? Madami pa doon. Sobrang dami pa. Kuha pa tayo marami pagkakaubos mo.
Ano ba? Ano yan? Ice cream.
Pwede kumari ito, diba? Pwede kumari ito, no?
Yes po, ang flavor namin ngayon po is vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
Wow! Ay, hindi na siya umikot. Good! Dami ang screen! Kanina umiikot siya eh. Ngayon, hindi na siya umikot. Oh, we have chocolate, strawberry. Opo.
Look, look.
Ay, kuya, look! Popsicle!
What the
You want popsicle?
Yes.
Okay. Popsicle po.
Sugar yogurt.
Ah, yogurt yan. Oh, see?
Open.
Siya lang mag-open.
Sugar yogurt ito.
Whee! Yes. Let's try bread and butter. Try natin bread and butter.
Hi, ma.
Birthday, Daddy!
Salamat na. Kailan, hi?
Agad yun ah.
Lia! Pops, Lia! Lia!
Thank you, Sublaw.
Kain kami ni Matma! Ay, wala ka!
Saan mo ba?
Since we played only for mommy. Wow! May cash prize!
Check ito, check it.
Happy birthday.
Check it!
Happy
1 million! Joke lang yan, Lia. Joke lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sir. Come join the party. The next keep up life. Enjoy the good life. Celebrate. Light a candle and we wish because it's a birthday. Happy birthday!
Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Happy birthday!
Oh no, what's that? What's that?
Okay, can you wipe your mouth with wipes? Can you do it on your own? Wow! You're so big girl na, big girl! Wow! Seryoso ba ito?
Ano, ma'am?
Let's buy my first orange paper bag. Let's go.
Go, mami!
Every day is a Monday. Receiver. Although I also sent a copy sa email.
Video. Yay!
Malok pa second.
Laging meron.
Nice, congrats. Well, good ka rin.
Sarap to.
Hey, may lalbi na si Mamis. Hi! Yay, may bag na si Mamis.
Paper bag.
Yay!
My first movie.
May bag na si Mamis. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to him. Happy birthday.
That's my first bag from LP.
Yay! May lalbi na si Mami.
Check in na. Car. Dito tayo sa Sky Tower. Okay, let's go. 1224. Sky Tower. So, this is our room. So, pagpasok natin ng room is nandito yung ating bathroom. And then, bago pala tayo mag-bathroom, merong ganito. Back. Ayan. So, dito is yung ating bathroom. And we have a bathtub, Matt. We have a bathtub. Siyempre, we have the amenities. Meron tayong mga shampoos and loofah. And then, meron din tayo dito mga towels. And ito yung ibang amenities natin. We have yung shower cap, dental kit, vanity kit, shave kit, and we have soap. Ito yung ating towels. And ito yung ating weighing scale. And, hi, Matt! Hello! And we have 2 sinks. Wow, ang ganda. Hindi tayo agawan sa sink. And then also we have soap again. And then we have body lotion. And then meron tayong water. And then meron tayong separate yung ating toilet and shower area. And then pagdating dito is our king size bed. So ang inano namin is king size bed. Ayan, ang laki. And then meron tayo dito mini sofa. And then, ito yung pinakamaganda. Meron tayong living area, living room. So, meron tayong mga sofa dito. And then, wow, meron tayong cake. Thank you, Soler. May happy birthday mark pa. And may nakasulat siya na. Ay, ang ganda, personalized. Happy birthday! Ang ganda! Nice! Thank you, Soler! Ang cute niyo po! Thank you so much po! Yan. Ang ganda! Personalize siya. And then, syempre, yung ating view! Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng room natin! Ng view! Ang ganda! Nice! Ang ganda ng interior niya, guys. Sobrang ganda. Pack. Yung ating cabinet. Shala bells. Oh, pack. Hindi siya cabinet. Ano siya, oh. Mga lagayan siya ng mga coffees and yung mga kakainin. Ang ganda. And guys, sa ilalim nito is yung ating fridge. Ang ganda. Grabe. Diba? Kakaiba siya. Pull out na fridge. Nice. Ganda. Ah, ito pala yung lagayan ng cabinet. Walk-in siya, guys. Walk-in. Then you have the bathrobe, meron tayong hair dryers, and yung ating safe box, and then meron tayong mga slippers, and then umbrella. Ang ganda. Ito, ang ganda. Mukha siyang table, pero pag inopen mo siya, pak! Vanity, mirror, and peg. Pak! Ang ganda. Hello, Matty! Ang ganda.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you, Kuya Ma'am.
Hello! Swimming time! Nagpalit na kami ng aming mga pang-swimming! Are you excited? Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Mamaya unbox natin yung ating Louis Vuitton. So, swimming muna kami. Okay, let's go!
Let's go. What are you doing?
Let's go na!
I'm going to swim na. I want to swimming na.
Okay, so you say, let's go, guys!
Let's go, guys. Let's go, Mommy, Daddy.
Okay, oh, you open na.
Yeah. Or help.
Okay, let's go. Keycard na sa'yo na.
Thanks. Kapag kami swimming na.
Oh!
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go! Swimming time! Ang kanilang pool hours ay 7 to 9 p.m. Wow! Hangin! Mahangin!
Okay, good dad.
Mahangin! Wow! Ganda ng pwesto natin! Claim lang namin itong complimentary sa pool bar. So, dito i-claim. Yan. Yung aming ano is, dito, oh, yan oh, ganda. Dito yung aming pool. Ganda. Say hi! Mati, hi! 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 Wow, cheers, cheers! Hi, Lia! Dito si Kuya Elo! Hi, Lia!
Awangan lang kayo.
Happy birthday to you. This is your day. Always stay for you. Gonna love you every way. This is your day, your day.
Happy birthday, Daddy Mike!
To you. Every year, because you're so wonderful with each and everything you do. Yeah, happy birthday to you, engineer. This is your day, your work. Always stay for you. love you every way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Mark!
Once again, we'd like to wish Engineer Mark a very happy birthday to you. A year better and not older. To you. Maligaya
Daddy! Maligaya!
Diyos. Maligaya, maligaya, may God bless you always. 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 Once again, happy birthday, Engineer Mark. Happy birthday to you.
Nag-order si Daddy Mark na hot coffee. Yan. So, this is latte. Yan. Ang ganda nung aming pwesto, oh. So, sorry. Ayan. Ito yung aming parang ano ba, bed? Cabin bed. And then, ito lang yung pool. Sa harap lang. Ayan.
May coffee muna.
Wow! Date by the pool! Are you happy, kuya? Happy? Joke naman eh.
Hello. Hello, Mati. Mat, dance din, Mat. Dance. Dance. Galing naman mag-dance. Hey. Dance.
And I don't wanna walk my lover. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you.
Nag-order kami ng fish fillet. Fish fingers pala. Ayan.
No one can do it like you.
Let's go to the gym. Gym tayo, gym. Let's go to the gym. Sorry. Let's go to the gym. Gym. Try natin yung gym nila. Si Daddy Mark ang mag-gym, hindi ako. Sabi is, pupunta tayo na Bay Tower. So, ayun. Bay Tower. We're gonna go here. Alam, saan na? Fitness center. Yeah. Okay, go.
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all.
Grabe pa rin nag-aabang kay Yundin. Nakain kasi siya dito sa may... Dito. Sa Yakumi.
A few moments later.
What's wrong? Where's your room? Do you know where's your room?
This.
Oh, wow! Galing naman ni
Check.
Kuya. Tap lang, tap. Okay. Si Kuya, nilaglag.
Let's check.
Kuya, get. Yan. May pag-greetings tayo. So, dear Mr. Masangya, thank you for choosing to stay with us. Our team is dedicated to making your stay as comfortable as possible. At the end of your visit, we would appreciate if you could share your experience with us on TripAdvisor. Wishing you pleasant stay at Solaire. Ang galing, oh. Isa sa mga guest services nila is this one. May kita nyo na agad yung if may bill kayo o see. So, since wala pa naman kaming, pinasok na bill, or wala pa naman kaming, no billable items. So, yeah. So, in case na kunyari, kumain kayo sa resort, or sa restaurant, tapos in-charge nyo sa room, ayan, dito siya lalabas. Ayan, meron din sila dito yung in-room dining. Okay, if you're gonna press in-room dining, nandito na yung mga QR codes for their menu. Ito yung, sleepers. Ang ganda ng lalagyan. Tapos, makapal yung sleepers niya. Hindi siya yung hotel sleeper na basta-basta. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng quality, guys. Lambot. Ay, nga. Is it yummy? Yummy? Where's Tati? What Tati's eating fries. Eat your french fries na. Eat na. Good job. Yum, 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 yum. Sa kwarto nagsalbabida.
Macho.
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 Wow. Macho matna. Wow. Yummy. So, may binigay pala yung Solaire, 2 box. So, I think siya, food or pastry. Kasi mayroon siyang food allergy notice. Yan, open natin. Let's see kung ano yung laman. Ooh. Ano siya? Para siyang cheese bar. Ayan, cheese bar and polvoron. Ayan. Kainin namin tomorrow kasi sleeping na si Kuya. Good morning! Good morning, birthday boy. Good morning. Kain na kami sa breakfast. So, ang breakfast time nila is 7:32. Ano ba, Daddy? 7:30 to 10:30 a.m. So, sa fresh yung...
Good morning, Louis Vuitton.
Good morning, Louis Vuitton. Good morning, baby. Ayan. So, ang kanilang breakfast buffet is 7:30 to 10:30 a.m. And ang kanilang breakfast buffet is sa fresh. So, doon ulit tayo kakain. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga food nila if breakfast time. Ayan. So, let's go. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Kuya. Let's go. Eat na tayo.
Kausapin ko lang mo, Kuya.
Oh, ang galing ni Kuya, no?
falling. You look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all in, with a hard part to trying to say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never cared. But I still get anxious when I see you near, and my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Just honestly don't think it's healthy, no, to let what you say represent me. Oh, what a way to lose my mind, but never mind, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never get, but I still get anxious when I see you near.
Oh,
Breakfast na! We have gusto yung cake soup.
first
Say hi, Ma!
Hey, ma'am. Hello, banana.
Hello? Breakfast time! Daddy Mark, happy birthday! Pogi daw. Pogi.
Thought your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in the
Hello?
seat. Got the spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride.
Matt.
Pixie
Hi.
Hello! Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast.
Hello!
Uy, ano? Nabitin kami. Next time, balik tayo, kuya. Mag-work muna tayo ulit para may pang-solar ulit. Ayan. So far, masaya aming staycation here sa Soler. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng room, ganda ng ambience, ang sarap ng food, ang ganda ng pool, lahat maganda. So, ayun. Hi, Matt! Hi! Ayan, sobrang nag-enjoy lalo na si Kuya Magmag. Lalo na sa pool nila. Uy! Hi! Hello! Ah, si Daddy. Pakita na si Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Yan. So, yun pala, if magsi-staycation kayo dito sa Soler, dalawa kasi yung tower ng Soler. So, meron silang Sky Tower and yung Bay Tower. So, yung both towers, meron silang specific na room. So, itong si amin is the Sky Studio. So, nandito tayo sa Sky Tower. Yan. So, dito sa Sky Tower, dito malapit yung pool area. While dun sa Bay Tower, nandun yung malapit yung gym and yung casino. So, naisip namin na dito kami sa Sky Tower pipili ng room kasi nga mas malapit sa pool para sa mga kids and medyo malayo sa casino kasi medyo, syempre, medyo amoy smoke doon or sigarilyo. So, medyo iwas natin yung mga kids doon. At saka, maganda dito sa Sky Tower, kita mo yung view ng Manila Bay. So, pagising mo, ang ganda ng view mo. Ayun. Tapos, yun din, si Sky Tower is malapit siya sa buffet area which is yung fresh and dun sa ibang restaurants din naman, malapit siya. And malapit siya sa mga shopping areas if gusto nyong shopping ng mga luxury bags. Ayun. So, nagstay kami dito kasi birthday ni Daddy Mark. And, ayun, napabili kami ng Louis Vuitton! Grabe. It's my first luxury bags. Yun. Deserve naman, sabi ni Daddy Mark. Kaya, thank you, Daddy Mark. Ayan. So, mag-work lang tayo na mag-work para deserve natin lagi yung mga ganyan. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and please subscribe in our YouTube channel so that you'll be updated on my next video. Bye! Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.